Hi everyone, it's Andrea. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to show you the planner cover that I just made with my friends over at Studio 365. On Tuesday afternoons, we meet at noon and we sew together for a couple hours. So I'm using the Big Duck denim that they sent over. This is really thick. I think it was 18 ounces. I don't have any interfacing in this, and it was a joy to work with. It really gave my project the body that I needed. This is a quilt weight cotton here, and I'm really happy with this, but I thought you might enjoy seeing how much this organizer holds. So I started using these open pockets on the planner covers because that allows me some flexibility with where that sits and guarantees a nice fit. So that's the first difference there. I am back using my Tools for Wisdom planner. I love this planner for times in life when there are big transitions. I'll give you a look here. It has these monthly goal planning sheets. During big transitions, I love to work with this planner. So that back cover just slides right in that pocket there, and my planner is here. Then on this side, I have two slip pockets for my pens. I like to have a lot of options for the colors when I'm planning and taking notes for school and stuff. School starts for me a week from yesterday. So I'm in my final days of summer here and busy packing up the house and the studio because we are moving at the beginning of September. So I will have a brand new space to set up and show you guys around. So I'm really excited about that. But in the interim, I am in a busy period of life. So the cell phone goes right here. So I got my pens, my phone, my planner, and then along the back exterior, I have another big pocket, and that holds the 8.5 legal pads. And so I have two options with this. I can have the pad on the outside, like when I'm taking notes and things or working with the list, or I can store the entire pad in that back pocket and keep that nice and safe. And I found this cute pad here that's printed in the different colors at Home Goods, if you're wondering about that. So that fits the notepad in the back, which I am using a lot getting organized for this move. And then my MacBook Pro fits in the front, and I've got a magnetic snap closure on this. And so now I can move basically anything that I would be using to stay organized in this transition easily from room to room, or take it in the car. And then when I'm waiting for Isabel to get done with field hockey, I can work on the things that are top of mind. So I do not have a tutorial for this particular design, but I have lots of planner cover tutorials. And so I really just wanted to create this segment for you guys as a source of inspiration. I do want to mention here, I added this spine to this. This was a whole cuts of fabric. So it's not separated under the spine, but the spine I feel really does add a lot of structure to this design. So you may want to consider adding spines to your planner covers if you are still a paper girl like I very much am. So I will see you soon in another video. I just want to pop in and share this new design with you. I hope everybody's doing well, and I will see you in the next segment. Have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching.